Karen. I work in the Youth and Family Services Department, and today we're going to do Hide the Jungle Animals. Did you know a lion's roar can be heard up to 4.9 miles away? Where do you think the lion's hiding? Could he be behind the red circle? No, that's a giraffe. Let's try the pink circle. There he is! A giraffe's spots are similar to a human's fingerprints. No two individual giraffes have exactly the same pattern. I bet he's behind the orange circle. No, that's an elephant. Let's try the red circle. Zebras are black animals with white stripes. A group of zebras are called a dazzle. Let's try happy yellow. There he is! A group of monkeys are known as a tribe, troop, or mission. Well, we have two choices. The orange circle or the blue circle. Let me see. Let's try the orange. Nope, that's an elephant. There's the monkey. Elephant calves are able to stand within 20 minutes of being born and can walk within 1 hour. That is amazing. And there's our elephant. I hope you had fun. Have a great day.